How to download and install GoCrypto application on your iOS or Android device. Hello everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to get started with crypto rewards and payments using your mobile device for GoCrypto, here's how you can easily install the app first. Launch open your App Store or your Google Play Store and also make sure that your device is connected to the stable internet. In the search bar at the bottom, type in GoCrypto and search. Once you do that, open up this application that says GoCrypto Crypto Trading and then tap on the Get button or the Install button. If you are using iOS device, you'll need to authenticate with your Face ID or your Touch ID or even your Apple ID's password. Go ahead and authenticate it and the download process will begin. On your Android, the install button is enough for the download process to complete. Wait for a couple of minutes and then the application will be installed on your device. After it is installed, you can go ahead and sign up for your new account or log into your existing GoCrypto account. So there you have it. That is how you can easily download and install the GoCrypto application on your smartphone, whether you are using iPhone or Android. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.